Today I'm going to make one of the most popular pizzas that you can possibly order anywhere in the world, a pepperoni pizza. I've made my own pizza dough from scratch. I'm going to roll out this dough into a 12-inch pizza base. After rolling out the pizza dough initially, I've just stretched it to fit a 12 by 12 inch piece of parchment paper, and I'm just going to lift it up and place it on the baking tray when it has to go into the oven. So I'm going to show you how to make a really nice, rich, luscious tomato-based sauce for this pizza. To make this rich sauce, I've got 300 grams of tomatoes that I've just pureed up. I've added salt just to taste, a tiny pinch of chili flakes, and oregano, and 3 cloves of garlic that are just finely minced. The sauce has reduced by half and is now completely cooked, so it's time to just take it off the heat. And now for the exciting part of assembling this pizza. Just slather on that sauce and just spread it out. The sauce smells so good, I could just eat it all on its own. And just lots of mozzarella. Don't skimp on it, be generous with it. And just top it up with all of that pepperoni. Doesn't that look really good? I'm going to bake this now at my oven's highest temperature, which is about 250 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I think this pizza just speaks for itself. I'm just going to slice it up now because I just don't want to talk anymore. I want to eat this pizza. So guys, like, comment, subscribe. You know the drill.